If you want to enable the eye comfort mode on the Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to settings, then tap on display and brightness. Now on this screen, you will find the option of reading mode. Just tap on it. Now from here, just enable the toggle for reading mode. Now as we have enabled reading mode on our smartphone, the blue light of the screen has been decreased, so the screen can be more comfortable for your eyes. Now as you can see, there are two options for eye comfort mode. The first option is cycle, which will achieve optimal eye comfort by adjusting the colors automatically based on the app you're using and based on your environment. And also you have the option of classic, and over here it will switch the colors of the screen to warmer colors to reduce the amount of blue light from the screen. Now if you tap on the arrow icon over here, you can adjust the classic mode. From here you can increase or decrease the intensity of the blue light filter, and from here you can apply texture on the screen. Also from here you can adjust the colors of the screen. By default it is on full colors, but you can select light colors or black and white. Also at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option of schedule. Now if you enable schedule, you can set a schedule as when you want to enable reading mode or eye comfort mode on your smartphone. Just select a starting time and an end time. And by doing that, your smartphone will automatically enable eye comfort mode or reading mode. And this is how you can enable eye comfort mode on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.